and ferns. You see the ferns? The beautiful thing is that if you take like a macro picture of a small square here, it will be like a forest. Like if you take a picture with a drone from the top of the forest, it's unbelievable. So many different kinds. Everything is super connected over here. Plus, Mother Nature don't waste anything, you know. Fuzzy? Uy, qué lindo, ¿ah? Hey, good eye.
Like a goldfish.
Don't touch them.
Yeah.
They bite?
They sting.
Mm.
I mean, like they don't sting. They have like darts. They in the hair that they have. That's why they look hairy.
That's good eye, Mama.
Hey, you might can take a
It's
good
like a
picture. This is
gold-
a pretty one. Yeah.
Well, this is like a gold head. So funny. I love this trick.
You are pretty. Bro. Can I try one more time? Qué lindo que está este bicho. Es que está demasiado hermoso. No tengo buena luz ahí desde aquí.
Oh, I found a spider. Or, actually, I have no idea what that is. That's spiky.
Where is the spider?
Here, I don't think it's a spider. It's got very long, spindly legs. There's two of them.
You're awesome. Man, how do you see that? I mean, like, she saw that. She saw the legs of those spiders in the middle of this,
among the legs,
in the
yeah.
middle of these spines over here. And that, by the way, this is not a plant that you can touch. These spines are so fragile that if they get in, they broke, and you still have something inside that can make an infection. And the spiders that she found are over here. We call them, I look them. We call them abuelitas, like grandmas. I don't know why they call it like that. So that they don't sting or they don't do anything.
Gum.
¿Cómo está ya?
¿Pura vida? ¿Qué había aquí?
Le estaba viendo esa larvita que estaba ahí.
Oiga, Juanita no ha visto.
¿Todavía no?
Todavía no.
No, pero ya casi.
Ah, sí, ya casi.
Aquí está la vez, mira, qué linda.
What are these? It's like a fruit.
Oiga, Andrei.
This is the because the flower of this tree is almost about to bloom. Dime.
No.
¿Qué fue?
Esa larva cuál es.
Ah, es de una nocturna, pero no sé.
Ah, es una.
De una moth. The web.
Oh, yeah.
You see how tiny is the spider? Do you have any idea how many different kinds of spiders Costa Rica has?
Like a million?
Oh no, not that much. Yeah, in insects we got about 750,000 different kinds of them, but about almost about 21,000 are the spiders. Come on, ladies, I want to get. What you got?
I'm not really sure.
Is that like a slug or something?
He has a, he's on a mission.
Look at this beautiful family of mushrooms. Mira la rana, John. Mira, mira la rana. You see the frogs on the trunk?
Oh, and then there's one behind it.
And there's another one over there. Look.
Centipede.
Here and there.
Millipede.
No, centipede.
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 That was big.
But I want to bite him.
Yeah, yeah.
¿Vieron la ranita allá?
Allá.
Ahí donde él está alumbrando. Está la
Oh, it's
Oh, I thought that was my friend's group.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they put a flashlight on it. Yeah, it's right there.
She's not even here yet. Okay, wait a second. We're gonna try to take a picture of this guy. Okay, so what we have in front of us, it's a green and black horse without trunk. Joa, la rana. Ah, she already bought another one.
Bueno, ahora compartimos las Mira, permiso. Sí,
Rápido.
permiso.
Rápido,
Allá hay
rápido.
otro, mira, sapo. Otro milipede.
She's close with the picture, man. Oh, give me your phone, give me your phone. I got a great shot right here. Please, dude, don't move, don't move. Don't move. Sorry, I'm really fighting to have a really good picture of this dude. Okay, I don't have his face because he's facing the other way.
Okay. Can you come from that angle?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. There we go. Take a look.
That's pretty good. That's really good.
Okay. Can I use your phone? Then I have a great picture right here. dar una rana por algo para que lo suelte. Okay. Once that we get to the next station, I'm going to explain about the frog. So keep the frog in mind because he has a mind-blowing history.
Okay.
Por ahí, Joa. You want to see an incredible tree? Look.
Oh,
You can see better from here. Look.
What kind of tree is it?
We call it naranjillo or guacamayo. The beautiful thing is that there's not one tree, there's two. We got the big tree here, but then if you pay attention, we got like a giant root growing around him. You see that? That's a different tree. That's a strangulate ficus tree. This can
native here. You'd only find it here?
no.
No, you can find it over.
No, but this tree is about 600 years old, and this one is been growing on around him for about 150, 200 years, which is amazing, you know. Circle of nature. Eventually, the one that is growing around is gonna kill the big one, and he's gonna die, which is not good for him, but it's good for
Everybody
nature.
will fall.
You know, he won't fall. He's going to decompose and fall off in small pieces, and at the end, he's going to let a giant cavity inside of this one, like a giant cave, where
The
a
other
lot of animals that you don't want to have in your house are going to live. Believe me, like giant cockroaches, tarantulas, spiders, bullet ants.
So no good.
No, no. I mean, it's good for nature. It's not good just for us.
Right. right.
Well, this one's fake mangrove tree or walking trees because they have a lot of legs.
Yeah.
You can see that with this one, full of roots.
And the birds, they just don't come out.
No, because it's too cold. I mean, like obviously it's not cold, but how can I say? It was too wet for birds because we have rain the whole day, the whole night. I'm sorry.
So they'll come out when it's dry. So in the winter, it's
No. They come out, but you see that it's getting sunny.
yeah. So
Now
they'll
they're gonna start to
coming
come out.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, when the day is cloudy and humid and cold, nobody wants to wake up. I don't know if I'm not the exception. Just the slugs and the snails. How you call this? Is a slug, right? We call them babosas in Spanish,
Babosa.
or at least here in Costa Rica.
You know, babosas like saliva.
Like when you're like,
When you're drool. Right.
así lo decimos en español. Watch out, look. Watch out.
Oh. Peace.
Using the force. So this is a defense that this caterpillar has. Probably he saw something coming, trying to eat it, and he jumped. But the cool one is actually this one, the one that looks like a piece of stick.
But they're hanging on
Two different lines, yeah.
There's more on there. They're all different kinds of cats.
lindo, ¿verdad? So pretty. Come on, dude.
That is so
Come on,
cool.
dude. You can make it. There you go.
I love that.
So you saw that he was like a piece of stick when I found it, because that's his defense.
Guess that's why there's so many butterflies. There's gotta be a lot of caterpillars.
Uh-huh. That was pretty cool, right? Millipede. Look. Oh
Oh, yeah,
man.
they're all over. I see them now.
Termites? Where?
Or what is this ball?
Termites. Yeah, you're right.
Termites?
Uh-huh.
No, a lot of them.
Oh yeah, everywhere. Everywhere. Remember when you asked me if we got pumas and wildcats
Yeah.
in here?
Yeah.
This is the proof that we have them. Take a look at the scratches here.
Oh, yeah.
They come and to clean the claws on this type of trees. They like this kind of wood. We call this type of wood sura. And
And they come and just clean their claws on them.
uh-huh.
But they can climb.
They can try to climb, yeah.
Try to climb.
No, but they can climb. Last time I saw a puma was in a tree like that one. Like imagine like here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they're very good climbers. Okay, here is where the white bat's supposed to be. Give me 1 second to try to find him. One of my favorite birds. It's a Rufus piha. That's the name of the bird, Rufus piha. It belongs to the family of the loudest birds in the world, which is the cotingas. But it's not a pretty bird. It's a brown bird. But the sounds that she makes
Sounds
are,
like a human
right?
calling you over, yeah.
Hey.
And you said it's little.
The baby's still there. I thought the baby was gone. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Believe me, I thought. Look, I put my equipment here, like thinking that it was going to be like super hard to see it, but he's so visible right now. It's kind of funny because he's so visible that it's invisible.
I have no idea where you're looking.
Ladies, we are about to take a picture of one of the most rare bats in the planet. With a baby. People pay thousands of dollars for
Like
a picture like this.
Or
Yeah, right. Like, no. Remember that bats are mammals. Okay. Ooh, perfect angle right here. Okay, the sunlight. Second to the sunlight is not operating right now. Here, right here. Perfect. Sorry, I have to move from the sunlight so that way we can guarantee that we're gonna take a nice picture. I can't believe the baby is so. The baby looks bigger than the mother now. Please come here and take a look. leche. Oh, that's last.
Precioso.
There is something very special over here. You know, the first time that I saw this guy, it blows my mind.
You want to take a look one more time before I move to stop? Because I have the best angles of she. So that way she can also use it.
Bello. I'm pretty sure you've seen these guys before, but not with this boat. What makes this guy unique and very special. Yeah, remember Rufus Pija Taxi Bird is the one. I love it how the bird whistling. Are you guys okay? You have not problem with mosquitoes? You're good? Qué belleza. No,
You can see it here one more time. You can see it, on the show one more time.
But I love it.
You want?
She thinks she's a beautiful.
I'm pretty sure that she did. She was looking on the right place.
So please come and have a look, and then I'm gonna take. No. And then I'm gonna take pictures. Okay? If it's not clear, all from here. It's you move this and you adjust.
So are they not nocturnal?
Yeah. You just saw
So
that.
cute, right?
Perfect. Which is happening. What are the chances to see something like this in the forest? Normally, people try to see bats when they're active, flying. But what are the chances to see something like this flying? To see this kind of bat, it has to be when they're sleeping. We are blessed that we are in this park and we see this animal at this pool.
Please have a look.
Oh,
If it's not clear, remember adjust it.
This week is one of those times. Which is great.
Yeah.
So we're very happy that we show you the
You said after we'll take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure.
I'll wait after.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Are there also black ones?
Oh yeah, Costa Rica has the second place in the more different kinds of lights in the world. We have over 120 different kinds of lights.
Maybe.
And there is a LED right here. If you want while you're taking a look at this.
Oh, look at the middle, be working. Oh yeah, you can see it. Huge, it's like this size. Go and say it's different, very different from the one we saw.
Oh my gosh. That's so cute.
Coffee break.
That would bring
Si no tomo un chavo café ya no puedo continuar trabajando.
probably white.
While Greg is taking a video.
And then maybe you're
Oh,
thinking
please
the
have a
same
look.
big bat.
No, no, it's okay.
What do you think if you and your daughter start to walk from here to that route? Look up the route and then look at me. Can I take a picture with your phone? That's gonna be pretty
Yeah,
cool.
absolutely.
So you can see how big is the tree actually, but once that you start to get closer, you can see the root like a big wall. Okay, so now when I tell you go,
According to the
I'm gonna
national
take it right here.
they said that 104
Wait a second, wait a second.
but according to the United
Ready?
States,
So we're gonna walk towards the tree.
expert, he said that 150. So this guy in studies that family for more than 25 years. So white bats we can find in Central America and in South America, right? So this one is white, but it's not albino, which is another thing that you have to know. It's not that color, it's white. Very important for ecosystem. Very important for ecosystem because this guy gets bit from mosquitoes. So remember some of the bats they get bit from their mosquitoes, their fruit bats. Fruit bat is crazy insane because they eat something and 20 minutes after that they have that
Take a look at the video.
Hey, there's a ball person.
Hey, there's a bunch of
Twins.
I was gonna say some tourists are coming again.
Oh, look at that. This one, good eyes, Joanna. This is the
Andrei lo vio también.
no, the white bat.
Oh,
Pretty cool, right?
Thank you. I'll add this
Yeah,
to
you
the
see here,
like
let me
it.
telescope. Yeah,
So
look at
the
the baby in the back.
place where you just took a picture, it's
Oh, she's cute.
Okay, in Costa Rica we got a lot of different kinds of ficus, and we call these species, in particular, chilamati. But if you take a look, it has this type of roots, as you can see, we call this type of roots gambas. That in English, the right concept of gamba will be buttresses. You see, the roots provide stability for the tree in a place with a soft soil like this. You know, because this place can be very windy or very shaky because we have lots of earthquakes. Lots of earthquakes. Yeah, last week was crazy.
Just like that. Huh?
No? Well, Costa Rica is a country that is about 200 million years old. When we came out of the sea, we are product of a lot of volcanic eruptions and earthquakes because we are above two tectonic plates called Cocos and Caribbean. We are in Cocos right now. They move by subduction, so every time we have an earthquake, Coco is going down and Caribbean is going up. That's why the middle of our country is growing, and we have the mountain chain that they're creating the cordilleras, where all the active volcanoes are located. Because in Costa Rica, even when we're only 51,000 square kilometers, which is kind of crazy because we only use like 0.0003% of the global territory. Sounds like nothing. We got over 6.5% of the global biodiversity. How crazy is that? I mean, like, there's lots of different kinds of everything. Not just butterflies and frogs and birds, you know? Yeah, I can show that we got over 14,000 different kinds of butterflies, over 180 different kinds of frogs, over 127 different kinds of snakes. What else? One. ¿Qué fue eso, Mike? ¿Qué pasó hablando ahí?
Murciélago. ¿Murciélago?
Sí, weón. Que fuera en el avión de Batman, weón.
Un murciélago. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Close the eyes. You okay, cheese?
Qué rico una tortilla con un pedazo de queso, Mike.
Ah, tiene hambre.
No, weón. Aileen y M, ¿de dónde hablas español también? ¿Quiénes?
Mis padres son cubanos.
Ah, ¿de verdad?
Sí. Yo me creí en Miami, que todo el mundo habla español.
Ah.
Pero la niña no. Porque
En
nos
Miami
mudamos.
ya sabes cómo dicen.
¿Qué? Little Maya.
Ya tú sabes.
Ya tú sabes.
Como el de hecho de Mike que dice, "Mae, me da miedo encontrarme un reggaetonero y que me diga, ya tú sabes, y que yo no sepa." Es que me le está llevando el telescopio a usted, va.
Oh, really? That's so funny. I mean, we're out here. I tell you.
I expected that like 2 minutes ago.
Hey,
A new payback is coming.
I think you guys are going that way.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Yo creo que esta es esta parte del otro.
Sí. Compa, I think your group is behind. No, ahora sí. Ah, es que yo pensé que Rona lo está. I'm sorry, my friend, sorry. This is a wild cashew tree.
Cashew?
Wild cashew. Belong to the same family of the cashews, which is Anacardum. This guy is Anacardum excelsum. Well, take a look at the beautiful moth that he has growing on him. Take a look at the termite nest inside this tree.
lástima. Pensé que íbamos a ver otro tipo de murciélago ahí, pero no. Qué belleza. You want to see something beautiful? Take a look of this tree. Take a look at the top. Look how beautiful are the lichens that he has growing on him. You see, he has so many different colors. Looks like somebody just grab a pen and start to paint the tree. But it's natural. It's a lichen. Lichens, like mushrooms, are in the middle of life. They're not animals, but they're not plants either. Oigan. Ajá, esa es la flor del cafecillo. We call these trees cafecillos. Okay, I know probably not. That sounds kind of ridiculous because this is not a coffee plant. But if you take a look, the leaf it's kind of similar than the coffee plant. Okay, but they're not even related. Believe it or not, this tree is endemic from this national park. You're not going to find this tree. It doesn't matter how ugly he is. This is only here. Cafecillo trees.
This whole thing.
The flower just grew up in this part of the planet, right here, in the Central Pacific of Costa Rica. Chile. They found some howler monkeys.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, let me see if I can get a better one. Yeah, it's coming a little lower. I see it, but it's coming up there. Let me see if we might see better from this side. Wait for me.
Oh, I
right
see it.
there.
Like you can see it right through this little, like where I'm standing. It's climbing. I don't know if it's another animal. Oh yeah, it's a monkey.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. That way. I'm gonna move the telescope that way.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
watch
turn
your
and then crawling. So look up. Look up. Look here. Up there. Look your bone. Yeah. Like through this little hole as a tree.
No, but I think it will be better if we go
Yeah.
that
It's
way.
far. Yeah.
We're coming this way anyway. We will
So
be back in a
what kind
second.
of monkeys are they?
It's a howler monkey. It's kind of hard to see.
They're big.
Yeah, they're huge. Plus, they got the gorilla face.
Kind of look like an orangutan. That brown of an orangutan.
Okay, people that they haven't seen it, please come have a look. Sean, did you see?
See them moving back there?
Oh, there is one right here. I don't know if it's, I think it's a stemwa. Can you see clearly? Andrei, tiene que hacerse aquí.
Hanging on a tail.
Oh, yeah, from the tail. Aquí hay otro. Allá anda el bebé. I see the baby from I see the baby. Oh, it's a baby? Yeah, it's a baby right there.
Oh, there is the baby, yeah.
Ah,
Aquí están los toros, ¿no, Roland?
These are looking for monkeys. A howler monkey.
Es que yo creo que tienes que hacerse más como para la onda, yo ahí estaba. ¿A dónde estaba, perro?
No, no, hacer vos tu tiempo, yo hago el mío.
I get there slowly sometimes, you know?
Yeah.
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 Make my way there.
Make my way down back.
bat is the best animal you're gonna see in your trips in Costa Rica. Because what are the chances to see one of something like that again? I think I got something over here. Give me 1 second. I think we're gonna take a picture of the smallest bee in the world.
Bee?
Yeah, honeybee.
How do you see that?
I can't believe my friends didn't see it. Ay, sí, qué lindo que está el mío.
Is it on the tree?
Ajá. Can I take a picture with your phone? Actually, I'm gonna record a short video. Wow. If you pay attention, once that you take a look at the video, you're gonna see that the ones that they are arriving to the nest has pollen on the legs.
It's a hive? It's like is the white a hive?
Uh-huh. Well, the infants. Look. Come here. Pay attention because then. Okay, I'm gonna block the focus and let's see if we can go here. Yeah. Okay, take a look at the ones that they arrived, they got something yellow on the legs, like two little yellow balls. You see that one? Look.
Yeah. That's the pollen?
Uh-huh. Look, full of pollen. Ready. Oof, that one has a lot.
I'm trying to find it on there.
Wow, so pretty. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in with this so that way you can take a better look. Please take a look here. Meet the mariolas, one of the smallest honeybee in the world. And you know what's the good thing? They don't sting.
We saw those when we went to the river rafting, we saw all the ants moving with the leaves.
Leaf cutters.
Oh my god. That was so cool to watch.
They have a mind-blowing history.
Like we were just sitting there watching it and it was like that. Like, you just walk, you don't even notice, and then you put it.
Did you know that they can carry more than 65 times their own weight? Plus, the connection they have with Mother Nature is just something else. The trees call them to cut their leaves because when they have very old leaves, they stop releasing the pheromone that they need to release to call the attention of the pollinators. So they start to release this crazy smell with a message to the ants that tell him, come and cut my leaves. So that way he has a new opportunity to regenerate new leaves, so that way they can release other type of pheromone to call the attention of the pollinators, Leaf cutter ants are amazing. Plus they don't eat leaves. They eat a particular fungus that they are growing inside their nest. So they are like big farmers. They grow their own food.
They create like houses or something? Or no, they're just
They just put the leaf right next to a fungus that they are growing inside their nest. So that way the humidity of the fungus can decompose the leaf, the fungus can grow up, and then the ants can eat the fungus.
So they use it like compost. Like in a way to
Exactly.
fertilizer or something. Oh.
Exactly.
Yeah, that was very cool. That was really
And now we're gonna go and try to see if the Jesus Christ.
No, no, we're actually going that way. I'm sorry.